Good morning and happy Monday, boys and girls. I hope you have your paper ready and a pencil. You should have your name on top, and today's date is April 20th, 2020. That's a lot of 20s in today's date. So I'm gonna write 4-20-20 on my paper. And your word today is the word hot. Say the word hot. Now write the word hot. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. So our word is hot. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Hot. Say it fast. Hot. Good. Let's count how many sounds. Ready? Hot. How many? 3. Good. Okay, what's the first sound in the word hot? Oh yeah, and we know in English is letter H. So I start at the top and I'm gonna go all the way down to the bottom and then bump over. Making sure you wrote a letter H and not a letter N. Your line needs to go to the top of the second line. Okay, let's say our sounds again. Ah. Ooh, kind of like an octopus. What letter is that? Oh, good. Okay, let's say them again. Ready? Like Trenton. Yeah, letter T. And look, when I write my letter T, it also starts at the top of the line and goes all the way to the floor, just like letter H. And then our little line goes across the middle. So writing your word hot one more time, making sure you did the correct letters. After you finish writing the word hot, start thinking of words that rhyme with hot. I'm thinking of words that rhyme with hot. I know they're gonna have to end in ot. So hot pot. Hot knot. Hot lot. Hot shot. There's lots of words that rhyme with hot, huh? So pick a real word that rhymes with hot and write it. Today I'm going to go with the word not, just because that's one of our sight words that we haven't practiced in a while. Not. Making sure you leave enough room between your words so I can read it clearly, please. Okay, boys and girls, here is our sentence today. It's kind of an easier one to get our week going. Ready? Is it hot outside? I'm going to give you a hint. Outside is only one word. So let's try and count how many words, but say it with me first. Ready? Is it hot outside? Now, count how many words are in our sentence. Remember, outside is one word. Let's do it. Ready? Is it hot outside? How many words? 4. Good. Okay, so I'm going to start my sentence over here. And when I start a sentence, I always start with a, what kind of letter? Capital letter. Good. Is a sight word. How do I write it? I-S. Nice job, boys and girls. Make sure you're writing it at the same time as me. Is, spaceman, it. It is a sight word. How do we write it? I-T. Good. Is it, spaceman, hot? That's your word of the day. Write your word one more time. Let's read it. Is it hot outside? So I'm not sure if I'm gonna fit my whole word right here. So I am gonna go down to the next line. So outside. It's kind of a tricky one, but I hear two words in it. Out and side. And ow is a hard one because that is O-U. So O-U, out. Like Trenton again. Outside. Like Snyder. Oh, it's saying it. Remember, we're gonna write all lowercase here though. Outside, like a diaper. Magic C up, pull the line down. And because our I says I, we're gonna make a bossy or magic E at the end. Outside. Okay, now we need to think. What comes at the end of our sentence? Let's read it again and figure it out. Ready? Is it hot outside? Make your question mark. Good. Okay, my friends, make sure you read it to somebody in your family, and I will see you again tomorrow.